Batu Berendam, hitting my first gym session after Jeju, 5 months. So today we'll be doing a pool day. So it's just to target bicep and also back, because usually I don't have available body exercise for bicep and back at home. So yeah, see you guys after 5 months. I'll just be recording what I usually do. I don't even know the name for the exercise. I just do it because I can feel like the pull in my biceps and also back.
5 minutes later.
This exercise, I'm hitting my last set. Started with 12, 16, 20 and hopefully 22. If not, I'll drop to 20. My right arm isn't feeling that strong. Good. Done with first exercise. I'm waiting for my cousin to finish his last set. We'll be moving on to the next one. We're walking around and see, because I'm not sure which machine is suitable for us. Next up is pulling machine, and I've forgotten how much that we can pull, so we are doing 5 kg on this and 10 kg on this, 10 kg each side. Let's go for our warm-ups. Getting on our last set. I think this is called the lat pull down. I don't know. So this is my last set, going on 25 kg each side, and this is Yu Xuan's last set, maintaining 10 kg. Okay, let's go. Switching. Third set of this. 原来我才知道它这边有它的名字叫 low row. My third set of this low row, and then I just up to 15 kg and I am gassed. Gas, bro. Jen is maintaining his 20. Quite strong. I think it's a bad idea doing back-to-back machines. Okay, let's go. Doing I think it's called a cable bicep curl. I don't know. I'm ending this exercise with 4 plates, which I don't even know how much. There's no numbers. Our last set. Let's go. Is changing his last set to from a cable to a bar, weighted bar, because I think he kind of compensated his curls just now. Yeah, this is gonna be all him, pure bicep. Let's go. That's a good pump. So we will be going to our next exercise. This is 这不叫什么，像 deadlift 这样子。T-bar row 是吧？ T-bar row. Okay, it's a T-bar row, and we will be warming up with 5 kg first, because I think we're at our limit. one should be lower back. 微波那个叫什么？就是 the one where you have something here and then you carry a weight and you do like this. Our last exercise of the day. So this is the exercise I mentioned just now. It's too easy for him, but it's killing my back, bro. He went to try this is like a core machine. The last set, bar with 5 kg. Last set, let's go. Now we're at V-Sport Fitness, just showing what I usually do on a weekend. No, not usually, what I rarely do on a weekend. So then next is to buy groceries and chill. See you, we'll be going to NSK to buy grocery, the cheapest and most suitable place to buy like a portion for one, because you can choose how many garlics you want, how many shallots you want. It's not like in a bundle, so it's quite suitable for me cooking for one packs most of the time. Hey, we're at NSK, about to buy around 2 to 3 weeks worth of groceries. First we need to get a trolley first. It's functioning. Okay, let's go. Long beans. I'm not sure whether it's called long beans. Picking shallots. 我是不会选 onion. It's a bit dirty, but I guess that'll do. Okay, onion. Hot chicken pie and breast. Norway salmon. Wow. Atas. Just bought frozen pari. Pari is 魔鬼鱼. 魔鬼鱼是 stingray. Some type of ray, I guess. Attempting to cook that too. I've gotten my favorite nugget from Ramly. Surprisingly, it's quite healthy, and I bought wonton pastry, the layer, and egg. Okay, that's all from the normal side. 还有 tissue paper, and then we'll be buying haram food, pork. So this is what I bought, and the total bill is 183 ringgit for 2 weeks plus. It's not bad. And now we're going to buy pork slices, and also minced pork, so that I'm attempting to do like wonton. So I can do like extras, and I can have them whenever I want. The Yushen is helping me to carry all the stuff in while I go and buy the other extra stuff. Let's go. And also siu-yok. Yeah, the siu-yok fresh ones are all packed. Bought around 750 grams. I'll take this slice of siu-yok and maybe 3 packs of sliced pork. 3. Okay. Ooh, arms of tofu. Near 100 plus 180, we have 270 ringgit worth of goods. I'll be fetching Yushen home and prepare dinner. So we're currently at an area outside my cousin's house, because he requested that he wanted to buy like drinks feeling very dehydrated. 你买了什么？
不知道
椰水啊？哦 ，mineral water 啊
我看
，OK。
到我觉得好像很sad这样。
Baller. So then I saw like there's like takoyaki and churro store. Couldn't miss the chance. Hey guys, I bought churros because I couldn't resist anymore. I've been wanting to buy churros for quite some time, and I've gotten the dark chocolate flavor, and I also ordered takoyaki too. I bought 8 churros. Yushen had 2. I had 3. 3 left. Review. Fucking good, yeah. Dark chocolate dip. Fuck yeah. Yi liu. 的确，它的 dough 的味道是有，就差一点点。
对对，就是感觉很多很 plain 这样哦。
Texture wise is crispy。10分你给多少分？
如果 plain 的话，真的是一个6罢了，但是它的 dark chocolate 就可以7.3这样。
OK， 哇 ，specific 呀，7.3。OK， agree。Lucky I chose dark chocolate sauce because they have milk chocolate too. Bye， 到你家了，可以。Let's go， 下次再看呢。Frisbee 还是什么？下次再见，Bye。Yo, we got takoyaki. Because my cousin is a very small eater, he just shared like a bit of churros with me, and he's not in the mood for takoyaki. So yeah, I'll be trying to finish all 6 of them. Generally looks quite nice. I asked for the spicy takoyaki. Yaki, the outer skin is still crispy. Furikake tastes nice. It's a decent takoyaki. I'll give it 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, it's quite good. All done, all finished. Okay guys, I've taken all the ingredients that I bought just now, and I am going to divide them into single portions. Since I am mostly cooking for one, I will cut, like for example salmon like this, I'll cut it into half. So each time when I'm having a meal, I'll use half of this salmon. And for chicken breasts, I've tried a few times. So this is like a butterfly, so it's a whole breast from one chicken, and dividing into half is quite a lot to eat in one serving in one meal. So I divide one butterfly breast into 3 portions.
MTCB.
Recently thought about this genius idea. So I think it's just like the previous attempt to divide 3 portions of my chicken breast evenly. So you just put everything in, then you see it is around 500 grams, and then you divide it by 3. Damn, what did I think of this? It's around 164 grams a pack. So 161 is quite near, so I'll try to add a bit. So 166, yep, that looks alright. I used to like eyeball the measurements, so sometimes some meals I'll get extra meat, some meals I'll feel very hungry because not enough meat. But I'm not too strict about my diet, if you guys are wondering. I eat whatever I want. Prepping ingredients part that I didn't do that nicely, it turns out to affect my mood while eating. Now I am actually wanting to prepare dumplings. So I am mincing up garlic, shallots, and also the white part of spring onions to be mixed in a bowl of minced pork. So the minced pork is slightly around 500 grams. Not sure whether it will be too much for the wonton skins that I bought. Not sure how I'm going to season my dumplings. I'll just use what I have in my kitchen. Dash of white pepper, bit of oyster sauce, little bit of soy sauce, and also this is sesame oil. Just heated a pan of hot oil, and then just to bring everything together. And I'll crack an egg. Boop. These first 3 pieces are a bit of a mess because I wanted to have more meat inside my wonton. Can't really seal them properly if I scrunch them up together. So then I realized that I could wrap them like this. So let's say a tablespoon of meat, and just seal the sides with water, and they will just stick perfectly. Ta-da! And woohoo!